Title: Condominium Bulk Acquisitions in Florida. A case study of ownership consolidation. Case study: Duncan Hillsley Capital, Florida Condominium Communities. Purpose: this presentation examines publicly documented condominium bulk acquisitions and ownership consolidation in selected Florida communities. About Duncan Hillsley Capital. According to its website, Duncan Hillsley Capital is a Boca Raton-based real estate investment firm founded in 2008. The company states that it focuses on acquiring underperforming or distressed real estate assets and repositioning them through renovation and operational improvements. Its founders report experience with more than 25,000 residential units. Source: Duncan Hillsley. 2. Properties of Duncan Hillsley projects: Sunrise on the Green, Sonoma Southside, Valencia South Miami, Magnolia Court. Images: Walden Palms, Palm Bay Club, Stone Creek at Wakiva, Millennium Cove, Winter Park Woods. Timeline: a visual timeline showing initial construction, bulk acquisitions, ownership concentration, redevelopment or rebranding were publicly documented. Current ownership status: Sunrise on the Green. Public reporting states that Duncan Hillsley Capital acquired 143 units, giving it a majority ownership position in the 238-unit community in 2022. Source: The Real Deal. 3. Valencia South Miami. The company's published portfolio identifies Valencia South Miami as one of its projects. Source: Duncan Hillsley. 4. Ownership concentration. Illustrate: individual owners, investor-owned units, percentage owned over time. Corporate structure. Diagram: Duncan Hillsley Capital, property-owning LLCs, publicly identified related entities. Commercial marketing investigation. Research questions: was the property or its condominium units marketed on CREXI? Was the property listed on LoopNet? Was it offered for sale through 10X? Were broker offering memoranda prepared or distributed? Was the property marketed to institutional investors or other commercial real estate investors? Issues for investigation: did commercial marketing of Winter Park Woods condominiums as an apartment complex begin before compliance with the condominium termination requirements of the Florida Condominium Act had been completed, including where a single bulk purchaser had acquired substantial ownership but statutory termination procedures had not yet been legally recorded? The investigation should determine whether, during 2023 to 2024, HOA board officers affiliated with Rent Prosper and representatives associated with Duncan Hillsley advertised or marketed the condominium property as an apartment complex before obtaining the ownership interests and approvals required under Florida law. Marketing activities occurred without the approval of the condominium membership, while individual unit owners remained responsible for HOA assessments and continued to hold legal ownership interests. HOA officers fulfilled their fiduciary duties of loyalty, good faith, due care, and fair dealing owed to the condominium association and its members. The HOA president, while serving as a licensed real estate broker, assisted a bulk purchaser by using condominium financial information, including structural integrity reserve study, SIRS budgeting, to facilitate conversion of the condominium to an apartment complex and the acquisition of remaining units. Any conduct may have violated the Florida Condominium Act, Florida Real Estate Licensing Laws, the Florida Deceptive and Unfair Trade Practices Act, FDUTPA, or other applicable statutes and regulations. Ultimate question: do the commercial marketing activities, governance decisions, and real estate transactions surrounding Winter Park Woods condominiums warrant further investigation by the appropriate regulatory, licensing, and law enforcement authorities? Latest update: July 2026. Investor-controlled Winter Park Woods, HOA, after 12 months enforced 350% condo fee increase in 2025, plus 9 months, additional 5 figures assessment to secured final forced out condo ownership, the bulk buyer. Also, HOA president this month, that is July 2026, reversed HOA fee 350% less after successfully obtained 80% ownership, while awaits the remain condo foreclosure cases to be closed from the Orange County Court docket, so to complete the formal condominium termination, while awaits biddings to sell the entire 2.6 acres real property, with 248 condo units, which 80% condo holdings were freshly obtained unfairly.